Hey guys, today we're gonna be specing up a build for 50,000 rupees, Indian rupees, and this build is gonna be a budget one, and we cannot overclock a lot, and there's not a lot of upgradability, but there are gonna be some quality parts. So whoever want to see the list as soon as possible, refer to this page. I have everything's link in the description. Now this is the monitor. It's 60Hz 1080p 5 milliseconds response time. That's all we want, and also IPS, therefore it has a lot of good colors, and also it fits in our budget and has inbuilt speakers, so we don't have to buy different headphones because we don't have money for that. Next thing is our motherboard. It's from Asus B365M, and then it supports our processor obviously, and it's sort of the cheapest B365 chipset motherboard we can find. i3-9100F, it's our processor. It has 4 cores, 4 threads, and 3.6 GHz base clock and 4.2 boost, and then it's a great processor. But if you have more money, I'll suggest go for Ryzen 5 1600 and take a compatible motherboard, as I have money only for 7k 8k, so I won't go for Ryzen because it only has 3200G. This is our power supply, Cooler Master MWE 550. It's 550, it's 80 plus wide certified, therefore it will save some energy. It's not a bomb. And this is SSD. We must have SSD in our build. It makes our PC so fast. It's 480GB. If you need more storage, you can go for 240GB SSD and a hard disk. It depends on you all. My sister has a hard disk only in her laptop, and it is very slow. This is our RAM. We're gonna take 8GB of it. So Intel does not need a high speed memory RAM, therefore we're gonna take 2400 MHz. So 4 into 2, we're gonna take 2 of them. It's gonna be 8GB of RAM, dual channel. This is our graphics card, RX 570 4GB version, 11,000 rupees. So in this range of 11,000 10,000 rupees, the only great graphics card is this one. If you search for graphics card and then obviously sort by low to high because we are budget guys, you can also take RX 580, is good but expensive for a build. So we have 1060 and 1050 Ti in the same range, but in a benchmark video you can always see that RX 570 wins best. It's the best. This is a good case. It has great ventilation in the front, has a rear fan, PSU shroud, and RGB lighting, which everyone needs. It increases 60% of the performance. It's compatible with our products. So let's go to the next. So it's not non-RGB fan. It's 120mm, and we do not have a transparent front panel, therefore we're gonna take this. 3 fans of these, 2 for intake in the front and 1 for helping that fan for exhaust. So 2 exhaust, 2 intake. And this is our combo gaming keyboard and mouse. It's a non-mechanical feel keyboard and a gaming mouse. It's a great mouse, and maybe it will have high latency, but it's gonna do the work it's made for. And it has anti-ghosting, which means you can click many keys at once. It's not like an N key rollover, but it's good. And that's all we can buy for 50,000 rupees. It's actually 52,000 rupees. So if you cannot give 2,000 rupees more, you can just remove the SSD or get a 240GB SSD or just a hard disk. And also you can cheap out on graphics card. I won't recommend going below any of that limit. Go for another build or cheaper build version. which will be in our future videos. If you could give more money, then take a better motherboard and a power supply obviously, and then a Ryzen 5 1600 if you can, and then obviously other parts. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe and share the video. Bye bye.